Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to create Facebook account using Gmail. So let's get started. First open your browser and go to facebook.com. Now on the home page you will see a login section and below that a create new account button. Click on this. You will be taken to a sign up form like this. Now here you have to enter your details like first name, surname, then date of birth and gender. So these details help people find you and are used for age verifications. Now, instead of phone number, enter your email address. This will be tied up to your Facebook account for logins and notifications. Next, you have to create a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid easy guesses like birthdays. This keep your account secure. Once you filled with all of this, click on the sign up button. You are agree to Facebook's terms and confirming your details. Head over to your Gmail inbox, open the email from Facebook, click the verification link inside that confirms your new account. And that's it, your Facebook account is now active. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.